Hey fellow YouTubers, this is Stan the Man Bad Raz coming to you with content that I used to do. So for all you video gamers that subscribed, this is the latest joystick that I made for a friend, his daughter, and as you can see, he wanted to paint it purple so he can please his daughter because that's her favorite color, purple. But that's what it looks like. And the cover, her favorite character is Sindel. So I got the purple buttons, and the top two is pink with the purple joystick. And then you'll see the connector. This plays on the original Xbox, Xbox 360, and Xbox One and Xbox Series X. So I got the Xbox button and then the two pink buttons, the guide and the view button. So this is it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Comment. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And comment on the joystick. See you on the next one.